My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Nissan Qashqai. This vehicle has done just under 22,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control, voice control, and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our menu, navigation, audio, and our 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control, and as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.